I'm hoping you're having a great day. I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is the new rebuild. It's a 2008 Subaru Impreza WRX STI. It comes to us from Wisconsin. I bought it at Insurance Auto Auction. It comes with flood damage. Not on the inside, just somewhere else. I'll show you here in a minute. It has some awesome Brembo brakes, some good tires, some decent wheels. Let's look on the inside first here. No sign of damage, no sign of water damage at least. So I wonder why they would total this out. Let's look inside, or in the engine bay. Looks good, look at this. I really like these hatches, they look real good. I don't know why they stopped making them. So here in the engine, this guy decided to install a cold air intake, and from what I'm thinking, I sucked up some water and locked up the engine. So to remedy this issue with the locked up engine, I bought a donor car. Alright, here's the CRRISPY 2018 STI. So from everything that I've read online, this is the same exact long block as this one. So the goal is to rip everything out of here and put it in there. You guys get the picture, right? So if you think that this is possible, let me know down below. If you think I'm an idiot, let me know down below as well. This car is never gonna drive again, but these brakes are definitely gonna get used again. So if you need anything off this car, hit up Turbo Import Parts. Facebook link is going to be in the description box down below. Would you look at that crispy EJ? The one thing that I like is that timing belt is still in place, so the engine was on fire and not moving. So hopefully none of the valves are bent. So let's remove the rest of these pieces and all this junk, and I think we might have a winner here. All right, so we removed those valve covers and looked at the camshafts. They have a little bit of surface rust, nothing some rust cleaner can't remove. We'll get to that later on once we're cleaning this entire mess up. I got the timing belt on, all the markings look good. Now we connected some jumper wires to the starter to check compression here. Hey Vic, can you hit it real quick? With those compression numbers, I'm about 95% certain it's gonna work the way that I want it to work in the STI. So if you like this video, if you like this crazy stuff, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below how nuts this is, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And by the way, I got something special on the way. Here's a little sound clip. Can you guess what it is?